Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So today I'm doing a hairstyle. If you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. So the only reason I'm putting my hair up is because it's summer.
It's hot.
I've been wearing my hair like this lately, but I want to sleek it up a little bit. So first I'm going to put everything up. I'm going to put the scrunchie around one time because I want to see if I can sleek all this up. See, whenever I have like a twist out, my puff is like kind of floppy. It's never like, you know, as big as like my wash and go puff is. So I'm going to spray the perimeter of my hair with some water. Not too much though. I don't want to like completely like frizz it out and revert it. Just a little. I'm going to be taking a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is the Dove Amplified Textures Moisture Lock leave-in conditioner. I just like it, and this is the twist out from that line. I'm just going to take a little bit. I want to see if I can sleek this up without going to really small sections like how I usually do with my low sleek buns. I always do 3 or 4 sections. This, let me see if I can do it with just like one big section. I'm going to take my brush and start smoothing. My hair really getting a little sleek, okay? Look at that. Oof. Now I really think that gel is a choice, but I'm gonna be taking my Eco Styler, black castor, and flaxseed oil gel. Only a little bit. I only have like a little bit left, and just dab it around and around my hair to really sleek this up, you know, smooth it up. I used to use this gel all the time for like a wash and go, but I never used it for a sleek style. So let's see how it does. Smoothing on up, smoothing on up. I know your motives and I can feel the waves forming in the back. Don't mind the ones that love me, I tend to leave behind. Oh child, this really gives you like an arm workout. Oh my gosh. All right, take this off. If you know about me and choose to stay, then take. Now you use like a tight scrunchie. I'm just gonna use a headband, wrap it around twice, and really push that up like I'm doing a puff. Push it a little forward. All right, that's nice and tight. I like how that's looked. I keep taking a little bit. I don't want to go too heavy handed on the gel because I want this to dry pretty fast, and I don't like flakes, so not too much. Tug all the hair out. I'm gonna be taking about like 3 to 4 bobby pins. So what I've been doing lately is like folding my hair back and like pushing it up like this, but I'm gonna split it into like 3 sections for the 3 bobby pins. You can do 4 if you want. So I'll take this piece, fold it back, push it up, and as I'm pushing it up, I'm gathering the ends, and once I have the ends all gathered, I'm gonna bobby pin this down just like this. Split this into 2, push it up, take a bobby pin, and bobby pin that place. If you have any like little pieces that want to fly away, you can bobby pin those down too. Take the last section, push it up so they're all even, and bobby pin this down. This is a very like quick and easy hairstyle. You don't have to like sleek it up or anything. You can just use just one scrunchie, tie it around, push your hair up, put in 2 or 3 quick bobby pins, and then keep it pushing. I just want to jazz it up a little bit, so I'm gonna do my edges after I fix some of these pieces that are sticking up. Take my edge brush, pull these down. I'm gonna do like one swoop, one swoop, one swoop, one swoop. You know what I'm saying? I'll be doing the basics. I can't do nothing too fancy now. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of the Eco, roll these down flat. You know, back in the days, people used to wear their edges like this. Ooh, child, we have come so far with products, styles. Just blessed. Let's get close so I can see. Brush these down. Take my brush and see if I can do this on camera. Nope. Usually have to go off camera because it never look right unless I'm in a real mirror. Yeah, I might end up doing this off camera. So I'm gonna go off camera real quick. I'm gonna add the Eco Styler, and I'm going to put the Murray's Edge Wax Extra Hold right on top of it to really mold it, and then I'm gonna put on a scarf, and I'll be right back. This pleasure and take it with the pain. All right, y'all, this is the final look. I zoop my edges. This side look better than this side. And look, I just add a little block jewelry. It's too much, maybe not, but I think it's kind of cute. I like how you can see like the waves. I like how you can see the texture of my twist out popping out. Ooh, I think it's really cute. This is a way to jazz up your high puff, and it's a really easy style to do when you're in a rush. Take it in. Take it in. I think it look real cute. If you guys want to see more hairstyles, I can do that for you. I love doing hairstyles whenever my hair gets old. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.